If you're a military buff, you need to check out the hidden features of the Su-75 fighter jet. The Su-75, also known as the Checkmate, is Russia's stealthy answer to modern air combat. Did you know it's built for both air superiority and ground attack? And get this, it can reach speeds of up to Mach 1.8! But here's the kicker, the Su-75 is designed to be cost-effective, making it accessible for more nations. With a sleek, stealthy design, it's nearly invisible on radar. Oh, and did we mention its advanced AI system? It can assist pilots with decision-making and even fly autonomously in certain situations. Talk about a game changer. So next time you think of cutting-edge fighter jets, remember the Su-75 Checkmate, where innovation meets power. Like and subscribe for more jaw-dropping military tech.